Hey, Sophie here. I am just about to unbox my very latest Sophie's Picks beauty box. All right, I am very, very excited. This is actually a beauty and wellness box, and it is one that you are going to love. So, ta-da! This box is jammed full of the most unique products, and I'm going to quickly walk you through them. And actually, this box is a beauty and wellness box because in this box, there are products both for your outer beauty and your sort of inner wellness. So let's get going. Now, the first product that I want to show you is an absolute treat. Beyond, it's like luxury, like think luxurious spa. Think a body lotion and body wash and body cream, the like of which you've never, ever tried. I was blown away. And it's no wonder that these Malavara products have actually won numerous awards. And I am so happy that you get to try them too. So this is their product that they're really known for, that they've got a lot of acclaim for, is their Lime Vetiver body wash and body lotion. Now, it's based on Ayurvedic principles. So Alex, who's British, and Tejal, they came together and they're both sort of into hot yoga, and they had come to a stage of their life when they felt like sort of burned out and what do we do? And they really thought, you know what? This is what has to happen. We have to make kind of Ayurveda into this beautiful, accessible line of products that people can buy and really enjoy, and bring the principles of Ayurveda, which is really the science of knowing. It's this wisdom that hails back thousands of years from India and is really based on self-care, like deep, nurturing self-care for the body and the soul. Now, what is absolutely extraordinary about these particular products is the scent. Because in Ayurveda and what Alex and Tejal say is that the scent is really the sort of, in a way, when you inhale that scent, you're inhaling the sort of essence, if you like, the kind of wisdom of that plant. Now, in this particular line, in the Lime and Vetiver, there are 10 different essential oils. And it gives you both this scent that is so perfect for body care and the shower, which is woodsy and citrusy and sultry, and it's just like, honestly, it's like nothing you've ever smelled. And it's formulated with both Ayurvedic principles. They're made in England, these products, and they've used, Swiss technology and French aromatherapists. So they've brought all these different sort of elements in to create products that I just can't even. I don't even know how, once you've tried a body wash and a body lotion like this, how you could ever want to use anything different. Not only for you, but talk about literally the perfect holiday gift to give to anybody that you think, oh, I don't know what to give her. Or because it's actually very unisex as well. My husband absolutely loves it because it is this woody. The vetiver is one of my favorite essential oils because it's so sultry and woodsy, and it just smells so amazing. So and your bathroom or your shower room will smell for hours after you use it. Even, I remember the first time I cracked open the body lotion and I tried it on, and I think I put it on my hands and my arms, and I was just like blown away by the scent. And then I came back into the bathroom about 5 hours later, and I was like, it still smells. It's just the aroma is filling my bathroom. So super, super happy to bring this to you. The body and hand lotion and the body and hand wash, which actually, it's so pretty. You could have it sitting on your sink side. You could have it in your bathroom. But I almost think it's wasted at the sink because you're just going to want you're going to have both in your kitchen and in your bathroom. So that's the first thing. Now, let's move on to, since we're talking about washing, let's talk about a scrub, a facial scrub. So this exfoliating scrub by Bogavia is my absolute favorite. Why? Because it's a scrub, it's a facial scrub, but it's so gentle and it's very nourishing. So it contains aloe vera, sea kelp, fennel, wild ginseng and avocado oil. And it's very, very gentle, the way that it exfoliates your skin. So there's none of those harsh exfoliating kind of ground up shells or beads or anything like that. So it's gentle enough that you can pop it in your shower and you can use it absolutely every single day, no problem whatsoever. So I love that. I love all the Bagavier products, but if you want something really gentle for your skin, that is perfect. Now, oh my gosh, this I love. So this is by a brand called Zooey Organic. Now, Zooey Organic is a product that I have, a line, excuse me, that I had my eye on, I want to say at least a decade ago, when I was really starting to research for clean, green, beautiful, high quality makeup. And this came across my radar and I tried it and it was like, this is like nothing, ain't all of their products. But this, my friends, I'm just so excited about. I'm actually obsessed with this product. So it is their certified organic, all their products are certified organic, Flora Luminizing Cream. Now, what is absolutely extraordinary about this little product is you are going to look like you are glowing. And particularly in the winter months when, we all feel a little dull and skin feels a little dull and everything, this is going to give you this warm glow. Basically, that's all I can say. It's a beautiful warm glow. So you pop a little bit on and you can actually use it honestly all over your face, or you can just dot it on your cheeks and around this area, the places that you would normally put a bronzer. But the thing that is so beautiful about it is the scent. It just smells, you almost can't get enough of it. It has this beautiful, delicate floral scent, and you'll just dab it on and it's cooling and it feels so lovely, and it's moisturizing because it's a cream as well, which is wonderful for slightly more mature skins. You could also do a little on your décolleté if you're going out in the holidays and you're wearing a little sleeveless something, a dress or whatever, a little bit on your shoulders and your upper arms to give you this little glow. But if you just want that warm glow, which you do. By the way, we've come out of summer and sometimes we think, I'd only use the glowing things like this in the summer, but no, you got it the wrong way around. Use them in the fall, use them in the winter, just when you need to have a little bit of a warm glow. I wore this the other day and I walked in the room and somebody said, oh my God, where have you come back from? You're glowing. It was that, okay? So amazing. All right, now let's see. This is just beautiful. So Reviving Eye Gel, right, by Olive is the most beautiful. Aloe, cucumber, olive. This is a simple but really elegant eye product, eye gel. It just goes on so beautiful. It's smooth, it's simple. It's a gel that you could even just put, if you get a little bit dry in the fall and the winter months, just around here. You know how sometimes it can just get a little bit dry? This is what you want, a beautiful, elegant, simple, clean eye gel. Okay. All right. So we're almost done with beauty, but not quite in this box. We have Spa Ritual. So what would a beauty box be without Spa Ritual? My absolute favorite nail and it's slow beauty, but they are known for their nail polishes. Their nail lacquers are out of this world. I've had some of them in past beauty boxes. But what I really wanted now for this box was I wanted a treatment, because in the summer, we've been painting our nails. They've got a little bit bashed around. It's a good time of year to give your nails a little bit of a rest. And if you want to give your nails a rest, then you're going to want some kind of a little nail treatment. And this is a beautiful vegan, it's called Farewell, and it is a vegan nail treatment. It's got tea tree oil and it's absolutely beautiful. So give your nails a break, please, just for a month or so till you get to the holidays when you get into all those lovely red colors, and give your nails a treatment. And this is the one that you want, okay, by Spa Ritual. All right, now we have two products for the inner self. All right. So first off, we have one of my favorite brands again, Prima. So Prima does skincare products, but they also do a lot of inner wellness. It really is inner wellness. So it's the highest quality CBD hemp that you can find on the market. And when I say the highest quality, it is the highest quality. So the formulators, I know very well the people who have created this brand. Christopher is amazing. And his attention to detail in every single one of his supplements product, I trust Prima and I trust Christopher 100%, because I'm somebody I'm a little bit careful with things, certainly supplements that I take. And when it comes to things like CBD and hemp, I really want to know I'm in good hands. And with Prima, I am in good hands. Now, this is something you want to know about. So it's called Brain Fuel. So if you feel a little bit fuzzy, a little bit of brain fog, almost like that kind of, I need a big, huge cup of coffee to kind of get my focus and get my energy and get my brain in gear, but you don't want to have a huge great cup of coffee because you don't want the jitters and everything that comes with that, then you might want to look at this. So it's Brain Fuel. It is a powder blend, and it contains ashwagandha. So basically it's adaptogenic. So not only does it give you that brain boost, that brain fuel, but an adaptogen means that it helps your body and your brain to adapt to stress. Who doesn't need that right around the holidays? And it's got rhodiola, it's got lion's mane in it, it's got ginkgo. It's a beautifully formulated product. And here's what's so easy about it. So it comes in these little single-sized servings like this, so you can take it with you when you travel, or you can take it to work. You can either just pop it in a glass of water. It tastes really, really pleasant, and just have it in literally, your morning water when you wake up, if you like to have a glass of water, or a tea. But in water, it's fine. Just stir it in, or you could put it in your tea or coffee. And if so, you just pop it in the cup first, then you put in your tea and your coffee, and you're good to go. But it is a product that you really definitely are going to want to try, particularly if, I say, you're a little bit like, I just need something to kind of get, that feeling, I need to get my brain sharp, get my brain in gear. Brain Fuel is what you need. Now, finally, in this box is, oh my gosh, Good Pharma. So Good Pharma is, they're such an incredible brand, tea brand. All right, so it's basically teas, and they have some teas and coffee brands. They're hot beverages, and they are very, very unusual, their formulations. And as many of you know, I'm a huge tea fan. And this particular one, I almost would go as far as to say I can't live without, particularly in the winter months, because this one is called Resilience, and it is for immune function. And it contains all of these it has a green tea, so it has a little bit of caffeine in it, but it has all these, it has chaga, the highest quality chaga, and 2 or 3 other ingredients that are all formulated to gently give you a little resilience and boost your immunity, which obviously, in this season, we really, really want. But it tastes so delicious. And for those of you who are like, no, I don't really can't get down with green tea, and I don't love it and whatever, this you will become sort of addicted to, because it's so full, the taste, because of the bancha tea and the chaga. It's this full, rich taste, and it's a little bit fruity as well, and a little bit malty, and so warming on those sort of grey and winter days when you want something to sort of pick you up. Just having this as a ritual is lovely. Now, what's also super cool about it is that they come in these single-sized servings, and you just open it and drop it in a mug, and you don't need a tea filter. It is loose tea, which is obviously a much higher quality for the most part than tea bags, but it comes with its own filter, which is so easy. So you just make it, you can take it to work with you, you're done. You can just dispose of the filter, put it in your compost or whatever, so it's eco-friendly. So really, really lovely. So that, my friends, I am so proud to bring these outstanding products to you. I mean, every single one of these products in this box to me are that's why I love curating these boxes. I don't do them very often because it takes me a long time to really think about what's right for the season and what is something that's really unusual and absolutely outstanding that you might not have tried before. So, details all about the box, how to get on the list. It's a waiting list for this box. They fly out the door. It's a flash sale. There's such a limited number of them available. It's not even funny. They're all like gone within a few hours. So make sure that you click the link below this video to make sure you're on the waiting list for one of these for this box, and all the other links to these products you'll find in the description of this video. See you next time.